Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. I am outside. I have a few carrots to harvest, so we're going to go over and harvest those. It's going to be a very short video. I'm actually in my new backyard, but unfortunately there are these mounds that appeared overnight all over the yard. And y'all know I'm not going out there. Come on, I already went out there to take a pic. I am not going any further. So we'll have to take a garden tour a little later. This is going to be a short video because I need to get over there and back over here.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
Okay guys, so I have some carrots right here that are growing. They grew through the winter. I probably need to thin them out, but I'm going to show you guys something about not thinning them out in another video. But these are the ones. I know I got a few down here, probably just a couple, but we're going to pull them up to see what we have. This is one right here. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. A little crooked, a little sharp, but I think these were, oh man, I can't remember the name of them, but they weren't the long carrots. I know that much. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. Okay, maybe they were the long carrots. I don't know what I planted. Y'all know that. Yes, I have got to get better at knowing what I planted. Okay, check it out. Check it out. Yes. See what else we got here. See? Whoa, look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, I'm happy with these carrots. I am happy with these carrots. Yes. I actually planted these probably about September. Let's see. There's another one over here. Not bad, not bad. I am not mad at these at all. Yes. I'll take every last single one of them. Oh, look at this. Look at this. And I've gotten better at planting them. I've gotten better at planting them at a distance, or at least thinning them out at a distance. So that has helped as well. Let's see what's over here. Okay. Woohoo, guys, yes. These little baby ones. Trust me, the baby ones are good too. The baby ones are good too. Let's see, let's see, let's see. All right, let's see. I don't know if this one's ready. Okay. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I am not mad at these carrots at all. I don't know. This looks like a little one here, but we'll see. Okay, it is a little one. We'll take it. We will take it. Okay, this one's all mixed up in something. Okay, there we go. Not bad, not bad. Let's see here. See what I could pull up over here. Okay, this is a little bitty one. That's okay. We like our little bitty ones too. And let's see, I think that is all we have in this bed. Yes, time to get it ready for something else. Something else. Okay. So I'm not mad at these at all, guys. I am not mad at these at all. Yes. Okay.
All right, all right, all right. Okay,
so that's going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. If you are new to the video, or I should say, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my garden. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. This is all about growing in small spaces or growing in containers. That being said, give the video a like and share it out. The like will help me and the algorithm. And remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.